Hi viewers, today's topic is trigonometric ratios of 10th standard textbook, page number 274. Before I start this video, please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Let's start the lesson. This is the triangle XYZ. Here Y is the right angle and XZ length is 17 centimeters and YZ length is 15 centimeters. Now we find the length of XY. From the Pythagoras theorem, xz square is equal to xy square plus yz square. So xz length is 17 centimeters. 17 square is equal to xy square plus yz length is 15 centimeters. 15 square. 289 is equal to xy square. 15 15 is 225. Xy square is equal to 289 minus 225. Xy is equal to 64. Xy square is equal to 64. Xy is equal to root over 64. Xy is equal to 8. So the length of the xy is 8 centimeters. First we find the value of sin x. Now we find the value of sin x over the angle x. From the diagram, here y is the right angle and x is the angle to the triangle. So opposite to the angle is called the opposite and opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent to the angle x. The length of the xy is 8 centimeters, the length of the xz is 17 centimeters and the length of the yz is 15 centimeters. So sin x is equal to side opposite to angle x by hypotenuse, that is called opposite is yz, yz by this is xz is equal to yz length is 15 and xz length is 17. Therefore sin x is equal to 15 by 17. Now we find the value of tan x. Tan x is equal to side opposite to angle x by side adjacent to angle x, that is equal to yz by xy, that is equal to 15 by 8. Yz length is 15 and xy length is 8. Next we find the value of cos z. Here angle to the triangle is z. So this is the right angle and this is the angle of this triangle. lengths are same. So opposite to the angle, this is opposite side. Opposite to the right angle, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent to the angle Z. So cos Z is equal to side adjacent to angle Z by hypotenuse, that is equal to YZ by XZ, that is equal to YZ is 15 and XZ is 17. Therefore the value of cos Z is equal to 15 by 17. The value of the tan x is equal to 15 by 8. Next problem. In a triangle PQR with right angle at Q, the value of angle P is x, PQ equal to 7 centimeters and QR equal to 24 centimeters. Then find sin x and cos x. Here PQR is the triangle and Q is the right angle and angle P is x. PQ length is 7 centimeters and QR length is 24 centimeters. Now we find the length of PR. By using Pythagoras theorem, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square, that is equal to 7 square plus 24 square, that is equal to 49 plus 576 is equal to 625. PR is equal to root over 625, that is equal to 25. We find the value of sin x and cos x. First one, sin x is equal to side opposite to angle x by hypotenuse, that is equal to side opposite to angle x, that is QR. QR by hypotenuse PR. QR length is 24 centimeters and PR length is 25 centimeters. Therefore sin x is equal to 24 by 25. Next, we find the value of cos x, it is equal to adjacent to angle x by hypotenuse is equal to PQ by PR. PQ length is 7 centimeters and PR length is 24 centimeters. Therefore cos x is equal to 7 by 24. Next problem. In a right angle triangle ABC, here right angle is at C and BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. Then find sin A and tan B. Here ABC is the triangle and C is the right angle. We have two equations. that is BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. First we solve these two equations and we get the values of BC and CA. So BC plus CA is equal to 23, BC minus CA is equal to 7. Plus CA minus CA will get cancelled. BC plus BC 2BC is equal to 30. BC is equal to 30 by 2. BC is equal to 15. So BC, the length of the BC is 15 centimeters. Substitute BC equal to 15 in this equation. BC plus CA is equal to 23. BC value is 15. 15 plus CA is equal to 23. CA is equal to 23 minus 15. CA is equal to 8. The value of CA is 8 centimeters. Therefore, length of the BC is 15 centimeters and length of the AC is 8 centimeters. Now find the length of AB. By using Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. The length of BC is 15 centimeters. The length of CA is 8 centimeters. 15 square plus 8 square. It is equal to 225 plus 64 is equal to 289. AB equal to square root of 289 is equal to 17. The length of AB is 17 centimeters. Now we find the value of sin A. Here A is the angle of the triangle, opposite to the angle. Opposite to the right angle. Hypotenuse, and this is adjacent to the angle. Sin A is equal to side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse is equal to side opposite to the angle BC by hypotenuse AB. BC length is 15 centimeters and AB length is 17 centimeters. Therefore, sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Next, tan B. Here, B is the angle of the triangle. Lengths are same. This is the opposite side. this is hypotenuse to the right angle, and this is adjacent to the angle B. Tan B is equal to side opposite to angle B by side adjacent to angle B is equal to side opposite to angle B, AC by side adjacent to angle B, BC. That is equal to AC length is 8 centimeters and BC length is 15 centimeters. Therefore tan B is equal to 8 by 15.